Good morning, everybody. Welcome to ServerlessDays Milan 2019. It's the third time we do this. Yeah, it's the third time. We started in 2017 with JeffConf. How many of you were at JeffConf in 2017? Wow, OK. It's not too bad. I thought worse. How many of you were here last year for ServerlessDays 2018? OK, a few. Great. So for all the newcomers, welcome. This is ServerlessDays. Just a quick introduction, and then we start with the first keynote. So this is our team. So we have Luca, Simone, Gwenda, and Francesco. There are more. Everybody with the red shirt, for now, is a member of the organizing team. If you have any questions, if you are in trouble, if there is anything, we also have some contacts, and we'll share them in a second. So for the newcomers, what are we here for? What's the point? So the reason why we keep doing this, and we'll keep doing this, hopefully, is that, although we still get people on Twitter wondering and arguing that there are still servers in serverless and blah, 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 we think that most developers realize that, they want and they need to build and architect their solutions, faster, in a more sustainable and maintainable way without really compromising on, speed and elasticity and availability and security and everything you want to build into your product or your solution or your startup, whatever you're building. And also enterprises, actually. So anything you're building, you want that. And this is a day for you to meet other people like you, maybe from different sub-communities like IoT or chatbots or machine learning or web development. It's a good mix today, so feel free to make new friends, meet new people. That's the goal. There will be a lot of breaks, coffee breaks, but also networking breaks. So, clicker? Yes. So this is the new JeffConf. We still like Jeff. The plan for today is clicker. OK, remember to tweet, take pictures. You want to? OK, take pictures, hashtag. We have a Twitter handler. There you will even find a phone number if you have any problems. Just call us, any issue, any question you have. Microphone?
If you need the Wi-Fi, this is the Wi-Fi you can use. Gran Visconti Palace Hotel, and the password is right there. Just one more second.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Now is the time. No, it's also on some of the slides. Cool.
OK. Let's go on. And most important information for the day, coffee breaks and lunch. We have a coffee break at 11 p.m. It's 15 minutes break. Then lunch is 10 minutes to 1 p.m. And until 10 to 2 p.m. OK? Please respect timings because we have a packed day full of great speakers. We want to hear speakers and don't want to wait for people. OK?
I'm sure. Won't be a problem. And we want to thank you. We want to thank the organizer. We want to thank the sponsors. Luca, you want to thank the sponsors?
Yeah, we want to thank all the sponsors. We have 3 aligned sponsors and a number of support sponsors and community sponsors that made this event possible. So if we are hosting an event for the 3rd time and it's a great success, we have to thank them because they are paying the bills. So thanks to our sponsors. Going on? OK. We have a full rack of speakers, great speakers, international speakers. The basic idea of ServerlessDays is to make the best speaker available to the people locally and without you need to catch a plane or whatever. So we will have a full day. We'll have a lot of sessions. So please stay tuned and consider that we have been able to select this rack of speakers. There are 13 speakers.
I think 16.
16 speakers out from almost 80 speakers, 80 submissions that we received. So we received a lot of submission. It has been a very hard work for the CFP team to review all of them and to choose to pick the 16 top talks that you are going to hear today. And for our speakers, we have a very special gift that we are awarding them as soon as their talk finishes. And it's a coffee machine that is branded ServerlessDays. We would like to give you the coffee machine that you see outside here, but it's too big to fit in a bag, so maybe next time.
We have only 20 of them. If you want them, maybe next year we can give it to everyone. But let us know.
So what's here outside? So can you explain what?
Yeah, we're partnered with an association who is from Pavia, which is a close city to Milano, and it's named Compiviter. They are cool guys. They build stuffs, build things with a lot of lights, LEDs, and so on. They are passionate for Codel dojos, for making things, and for retro computing. And since we partner with them, you can talk to them out from here. Then you can also grab a coffee from that fancy lightning glowing coffee machine. And then you can also discover how many LEDs you can fit in a PC case. And that's the thing that you will find out from there. And moreover, we are launching today the ServerlessDays game, which will be an arcade game with very simple rules. Starting from the first coffee break, you can go down to the sponsor area. You will find at our headline sponsor booth, you will find 3 mini arcade games. You can play the game. When you reach the top score, you can take a picture, share with Twitter that picture, tagging ServerlessDays and the sponsor tag. And tonight at 6 p.m., during the closing remarks, we are gonna award the top 3 players of the day with one of them.
So it doesn't mean you don't have to attend the conference, but make your choice.
Please attend the conference, and during breaks, go down, play, score the top record, and take home this mini arcade.
That we built, by the way. They built.
They built.
Cool. There is also a job board, so maybe you didn't notice in the atrium here. You'll find a job board with some of the more interesting, job positions from our sponsors. So you can talk to them downstairs, but they also have open positions for you if you're interested. Just have a look. What else? We do have a code of conduct. Gwenda, you wanna tell us about the code of conduct? It's very simple. Actually, it is very simple.
Okay.
So that's the first
fun,
point.
and not just with the arcade, but during also the conference. And yes, don't start dancing. Please be safe. In this case, don't steal from others, like this GIF is showing. So try to behave. And of course, this is an event, and one of the things that you can do is networking. So if you have, or if you feel like there is something uncomfortable, please come to us and tell us. And
be a penguin. No, that's not. Be a community. Act as a community, meet each other.
And of course, behaving with intent.
Yeah, be nice to each other. That's so easy to say, just try to do it today. We believe in equality. We have gifted a lot of diversity tickets today. There are even people flying in from other countries, from Northern Africa, from Budapest, from other cities. So try to meet those people too, and they're very happy to be here with us today. Well, feel free to say whatever you want, but remember there are people around you, so make sure nobody's offended. Make sure you know what you're saying.
Is there a server inside the arcade team?
There is probably a server. Is that a server?
No, just a small.
You can ask the Compiviter guys about the architecture. Respect each other. Again, this is easy to say, but let's try to be a nice and happy community today. If there is anything uncomfortable, if there's anything that's challenging you or that you're not comfortable with, reach out, okay? Red t-shirts, email, Twitter, phone number. You have everything you need, just let us know, okay? So we can do better and we can act quickly if there is a problem. serious moment. But it's over, I promise. We can finally get started with the first keynote. So please welcome on stage Jeremy from Boston. Please come over.